Just want to make a quick video. This is my 2010 Dodge RT 5.9 liter Dodge Dakota, I should say. And I just want to make a quick little video of my experiences with Dodge and removing the water pump fan clutch assembly. Don't need no fancy tools or anything like that. Big old Crescent wrench. That nut is, I believe, 1.5 inch nut. In case you have, you know, the wrench size equivalent. There is a special tool they use to put inside here. I said, fuck that. Got myself a ratchet strap. Ratchet strapped around the water pump. I really honestly don't care about the water pump pulley. It doesn't matter to me. And I just ratchet strapped it to the fucking tire. Obviously, I don't care about my fenders or anything like that. This is a pre-build, so it's all going to get changed. It's all going to get taken care of. But just want to make a quick video on one way to remove the water pump fan assembly. And as simple as that. Just like so. Oh, and this is, if you're going to do this, it's counterclockwise on the nut. Not going down. It's going to your left, not to your right. Okay, that's been an update. See you later.